Here I have MEIZU 15 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you a really powerful app, really powerful tool, so the security. Here let's tap security, and here you can use a few interesting things. For example, you can optimize your device just by tapping optimize button. With one click you can automatically optimize the whole system right here. Here you've got the report, tap done. You can also use here cleaner to clean some junk files. Or if you would like to, you can perform the antivirus scan. The phone is automatically performing scanning your device. Let's wait. As you can see in my case, there is no risk, so everything is alright. Alright, let's go next. Let me show you the Icomfort Mode, the next trick. Let's choose here settings, select display and brightness, and here you can find and select eye-friendly mode. As you can see here, you can enable this feature and you can protect your eyes from blue light and help your sleep. Help you sleep in a better way. So this is really useful. Here you can change the intensity of this eye-friendly mode, and you can also use the scheduled to enable automatically this mode, for example from sunset to sunrise. That's it. Let's go back. Let me show you the next trick. So the screen recorder, really useful one. Let's use upper bar twice. Here let's find the screen recorder right here. Tap start, and right now just recording your screen. You can tap end anytime and you can find your recordings right here, for example by using your videos. As you can see, this is your recording. Alright, let's go back. Let me show you the next trick, so the super saving mode. So of course here you can tap battery in settings and you can use low power mode, but you can also use super saving mode. So in extreme situation when you would like to use your device for a really long time, let's use super saving mode. Tab enable. This is really restrictful mode, so as you can see here we've got really dark phone with only few apps, but what's really important, you can use your device for a really long time. So it's good to know that you've got this mode in your device. And let me show you the last trick, so navigation and multitasking. Tap settings, and here let's scroll down to choose navigation and multitasking. Here you've got a few interesting options. One of them is double press home button. For example, you can double press home button to launch the camera. So it could be also really useful. Let's just press home button twice and you can open the camera. That's it. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.